Hands on your knees. Rotate your head 5 rounds clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Bring your head back to center. Open your both arms to the sides. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a twist to your right side. Right hand behind. Left hand is holding your right knee. Keep your spine tall. Inhale, open your arms to the sides. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Right hand is holding the left knee. Turn your chest to the left side. Inhale, open your arms to the sides. Exhale, take a twist to your right side. Inhale, open the arms to the sides. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Inhale, open the arms to the side. Take a twist to your right side. Stay here in this position. Keep breathing. Now lift your right arm up towards the ceiling. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, lean over to your left side. So you're trying to bring your left shoulder on top of your left knee. You don't have to touch your shoulder to your knee. Just keep it right on top. Turn your chest more and more to the right side. Look over to your right side and stay here in this position for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, open your arms to the sides. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Use the right hand to hold the left knee. Lift the left arm up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Left arm close to the ear. Right shoulder on top of your right knee and stay here in this position. Keep breathing. Look over to your left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly open your arms to the sides. Exhale, bring your left elbow outside your right knee. Join your palms together, right elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Left elbow outside your right knee. That is your right elbow, Yukti. Yeah. Now join your palms together, right elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Bring your right elbow outside your left knee. Join the palms together. Look over to your left side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a twist to your right side. Bring your left elbow outside the right knee. Join the palms together. Right elbow pointing up. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring the right elbow outside the left knee. Join the palms together and look up. Last one. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring the left elbow outside the right knee. Maybe you can touch your left elbow on the ground, or maybe it is right on top of your knee. Join your palms together, right elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Stay here in this position. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Use your right elbow outside the left knee. Maybe we can touch the right elbow completely on the ground, or maybe we are hanging somewhere up. Both are okay. Join your palms together. Left elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Stay here in this position for 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly come up to center. Relax your both hands. Now let's stand up. Let's do the warm up for the whole body, and then we'll move on to the twist. Come on, stand up. Keep your feet together, palms by your sides. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, lift your heels up, stretch yourself up. Tighten your thigh, tighten your calf muscles, stomach in. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Drop the heels down. Take your both hands behind your back, interlock your fingers, and bend forward. Bend forward. Bring your head and chest closer to your legs. Good. Inhale, lift the arms up. Interlock your fingers above your head, turn your palms away, lift your heels up, stretch yourself up. Drop the heels down, hold your opposite fingers, interlock your fingers, and bend forward. Bring your head and chest closer towards your thighs, push your arms away from your hips. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, lift the heels up, stretch your shoulders up towards your ears, stomach pulled in. Drop the heels down. Take your both hands behind the back, interlocking your fingers, push the arms away, bend forward, bring your head and chest closer towards the legs. Two more. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, lift the heels up, stretch yourself up. Inhale. Exhale, drop the heels down, hold your opposite palms, interlock your fingers, push the arms away, bend forward, bring your head and chest closer to your legs. Last one, inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, lift your heels up, stay here in this position, stretch yourself up, tighten the thigh, tighten the calf muscles, stomach in, drop the heels down. Hold your opposite hands, interlocking your fingers. Push the arms away and bend forward. Bring your head and chest closer towards the legs. Stay here in this position. Keep breathing. Go as far as you are comfortable. 5, 4, hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly lift the head up, chest up. Relax your hands by your sides. Open your feet slightly apart. Keep your feet hip distance. Now rotate your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your hands by your sides. Now keep your feet on the edge of your mat. Keep your feet on the edge of the mat. Keep your feet wide. Lift your both arms up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Take your both hands behind. Support your back using your hands. Bring your elbows closer. Rotate your shoulders back. Push the hips forward, lifting your head up, chest up towards the ceiling. Arch your back as much as you can. Support your back, Sumitra. Put your hands on your back. Support your back. Yeah. Inhale, come up to center, lift the arms up. Exhale, bend your knees, sink the hip low. Take a twist to the right side. Touch your left elbow to the right knee. Join your palms together, right elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. Turn your right elbow, look to your right side. Join your palms together. Yeah. Inhale, lift the arms up. Stretch your both arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push your hips forward, opening the chest, arching your back. Look up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Look up. Inhale, come back to center. Lift the arms up. And exhale, take a twist to your left side. Touch your right elbow to the left knee. Join your palms together. Left elbow pointing up towards the ceiling. So you're trying to twist from your middle spine. Turn your chest more. Instead of putting your shoulders under pressure, try to twist from your middle spine. Inhale, slowly come up and just watch me. Come out of the pose. Just watch me. Okay. Now, so I'm twisting here. Take a twist to the right side. If I am doing this twist, if you can observe clearly, I'm not twisting at all. This is not a twist. It is my shoulder that is twisting, but my body is in same position, exactly same position. But if instead of doing this, I turn my chest to the right side. So my shoulder is not doing anything. My shoulder is pretty normal. I can keep my shoulder this way. I'm pushing my elbow and turning the chest to the right side. Okay, so we are not doing this where your shoulder is twisting. No, we are twisting the spine from the middle. Okay, let's try this. Again, lift your arms up, feet apart. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push your hips forward, opening your chest, arching the back. Look up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bend your knees, sink the hip low. Take a twist to the right side. Bring your left elbow outside the right knee. Join your palms together. Turn your chest. When you press your right palm into left palm, you can turn your chest more to the right side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push your hips forward, opening the chest, arching the back. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a twist to the left side. Bend your knees, sink the hip low. Good. Turn from the middle spine. Your elbows are pretty much normal. Engage your both legs. Make sure your both legs are in one line. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push the hips forward, opening your chest, arching the back. Bring your elbows close to each other, pushing the chest more up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, take a twist to the right side. Bring your left elbow outside the right knee. Turn your chest to the right. Your both knees are in one line. You're not pushing your one knee forward or the knee back. Both knees in one line. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push the hip forward, opening the chest, arching the back. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a twist to the left side. Bend your knee, sink the hip low, turn your chest to the left side. Touch your left elbow to the left knee. Join your palms. Last one. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push your hips forward, opening the chest, arching the back. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bend the knee, sink the hip low. Take a twist to the right side. Good. Join your palms together, turn to the right side. Now align your both knees. Both knees are in same line. Hold it there for 5, 4. Try to twist from your middle spine. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, support your back using your both hands. Push the hips forward, opening the chest, arching your back. Hold it there for 5, 4. Keep your thighs tight, stomach in. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, sink the hip low. Take a twist to your left side. Good. Left elbow pointing up. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly lift your arms up. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms away from you. Stretch your arms up. Without moving your hips, lean over to your right side. Side bend to your right side. My hips are pretty much stable. I'm trying to bend from my upper body. Inhale, lift up, come back to center. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Take a side bend to your left side. Keep your stomach pulled in. Look forward or look to your right side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Either look forward or look to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Hold your right side. Keep your elbows straight. Look forward. Push your left arm behind the ear. Squeeze the belly in. Keep your feet engaged. Thigh tight for 5. Bend more if you can. 4. Try to stretch your left side body. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Lean over to your left side. Take a side bend to your left side. Keep your elbows straight. Stomach pulled in. Thighs tight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up to center. Relax your both palms down. Watch me. We'll be doing a little cardio here. Here you will be coming into plank pose, head to toe straight line. Touch your right elbow to the left knee, left elbow to the right knee. Option is go slow, 2, 3, 4. Option 2, go fast. Okay, we'll be doing this for 30 counts, 3 sets. So total 90 rounds. Okay, let's try this out. Come into plank pose, head to toe straight line. Stomach pulled in. Tighten your stomach muscle, round your back a little bit. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plank pose, Sumitra, plank. That is inverted V. 21, 22. Yes, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Very nice. Relax yourself. Sit down. Watch me for a second. So when you're doing plank pose, your gaze, you're looking in between your both palms or you're looking forward. You're never looking at your feet. Neither it is good for your neck, nor you'll have a good alignment here. Usually when you look at your feet, your shoulder is going to go back. See, my shoulder and my wrist are not aligned. Your shoulder will go back, and this is what you're doing. Now, this has no impact. Okay, so do slowly. It's okay, not a problem. Do slowly. Keep your shoulder on top of your wrist, and then 1, 2, 3. My count might be fast, but you can go with your own speed. Okay, let's try the second set. Come into plank pose, shoulder on top of your wrist. Look in between the palm or look forward. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Relax yourself. Take a child's pose. All right, let's do the last set. Once again, come into plank pose, head to toe straight line. We start in 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Take a child's pose. Relax yourself. All right, watch me for the next one. Here you have a chance to do your inverted V. So you'll come into plank. Whenever you get into inverted V, use your one hand to touch the opposite leg. Come back to plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The entire time, you're keeping your stomach slightly tucked in, tailbone tucked in. So whenever I'm moving, I'm not ever letting my stomach sink down or my hip sink down. It's always tucked in, stomach in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that you have better control over your movement. Let's get into plank pose. We'll be doing this 30 rounds. Plank pose, head to toe straight line. 3, 2, 1. Begin. 1, 2. Do how much ever possible. 3. Plank and inverted V. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Keep trying. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, keep moving, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Very nice. Relax yourself. Take a child's pose. All right. Just watch me and then you can try this out. This is the last cardio. After that, we are going to move on to our twist. So you're going to keep your feet hip distance apart, toes pointing forward. Bend your knees, sink the hip low, take a squat. Your squat can be as little as this, or you can go deeper if you're confident with your squat, and lift up. Kick your right leg and touch it with your left hand. 1, squat, 2, squat, 3, squat, 4. Okay, so we are going to squat and touch opposite hand and leg. You don't have to go very low. You can do a small squat and then tap. Let's begin 30 rounds and then we'll move on. Let's start. Keep your feet hip distance, a little more than hip distance. And we start in 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push your hips back, Yukti. Your knees are going forward. Push the hip back. 11. 12. You have to stand up straight, Yukti, and then tap. Stand up straight and then lift the leg. Take a squat. 13. 14. 15. Take your time. There's no hurry. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. Push your hips back. 22. Keep your feet apart. 23. 24. 25. 26. Push your hips back. 27. 28. Open your legs wide. 29. 30. All right. Okay. Very nice. Good. Now you can sit down. Watch me. So we are going to start with sitting down, feet hip distance apart. Point your toes away. Lift arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away. Push the arm behind your ear, lift your chest and chin up. Now from here, take a twist to your right side. So you're going to take your right hand to the left side, drop the right shoulder down. This is how it will look. So you're going to take a twist to the right side, walk your right palm to the left side, drop your right shoulder down. Left hand is supporting you. Now from here, lift yourself up and exhale, take a twist to your right side. Left palm outside the right leg, right arm close to the ear. If you can do more, use your left hand to hold the right leg, right arm close to the ear. If you can do more, use your right hand to hold the left leg. Turn your chest to the right side. You have multiple options. Okay, let's try this out. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, point your toes away, push your arm behind the ears, lift your chest and chin up. Exhale, take a twist to the right side. Walk your right palm to the left side, drop the right shoulder on the ground. Walk the right palm to the left side. Slowly keep your right palm facing down. Turn to the right side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, drop your left palm outside the right leg. Lift the right arm up, bring it in line with your ear. Turn your chest to the right side. Left arm outside the right leg, right arm close to the ear. Look to your right side. Good. Right elbow straight. Right elbow straight. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, point your toes away, push the arm behind your ear, lift your chest and chin up, elbow straight. Exhale, take a twist to the left side, drop the left shoulder down. Walk your left palm to the right side, drop your left shoulder on the ground. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Bring the right palm outside the left leg. Left arm close to the ear. Look over to your left side. Turn your chest to the left side. Keep your left elbow straight. Ultimately, we'll be trying to reach for your right toe. You want to hold your right toe with the left hand. Keep bending more and more. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, turn your toes away, push the arm behind your ear, lift your head up, chest up. Exhale, take a twist to your right side, drop the right shoulder on the ground, walk your right palm to the left side. Take your time. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up. Exhale, drop the left palm outside the right foot. Left palm outside the right leg, right arm close to the ear. Turn your chest to the right side. See if you can bend a little more, Sridevi. Little more, good, more down. Yes, good. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlock your fingers, turn your palms away, push the arm behind your ear, lift your chest and chin up. Exhale, take a twist to the left side. Turn your chest to the left side, drop the left shoulder, walk your left palm to the right side. Good. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up. Exhale, drop the right palm outside your left leg, left arm close to the ear, lean onto your side. Look under your left armpit. Very good. Hold it there. Keep your left elbow straight. You're trying to stretch your left side body more and more. Inhale, lift the arms up, point your toes away. Push the arm behind your ears, lift your chest and chin up, elbow straighter. Exhale, turn your chest to the right side, drop the right shoulder down on the mat. Walk your right palm to the left side. Good. Stay here in this position. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, drop the left palm outside the right leg. Left palm outside the leg. Right arm close to the ear. Lean over to your left side. Use your right hand to grab your left toe if possible. Keep your right elbow straight. You're trying to bend more to your left side. Bend a little more, Sumitra. Yeah, little more, little more. Yes, good, good. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly lift the arms up. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms away. Push the arm behind your ears. Lift your chest and chin up. Exhale, take a twist to your left side. Walk your left palm to the right side. Drop the left shoulder on the ground. Good. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up. Exhale, drop the left palm outside the right leg. Right arm close to the ear. Lean over to your side. Left palm outside the right leg. Left palm. Did we finish that side? Okay, right palm outside your left leg. Sorry for the confusion. Right palm outside your left leg. Left arm close to the ear. Keep your left elbow straight. All right, try to bring your shoulder, right shoulder, a little more down, closer to the leg. Hold it there for 5, 4. You can grab your left foot itself, Sridevi. Yes, good. Turn your chest more to the left side. 4, towards the ceiling. 3, left elbow straight. 2, 1. Inhale, come up to center. Exhale, relax your palm. Very nice. Now, keep your both knees bent. Watch me for this one. So you're going to lift your arm up. Take your right hand behind on the mat. Keep your right palm in the middle of your both hip. You're not keeping it on the right side. You're not keeping it on the left side. Right in the middle of your both hip, slightly away. Now you lift your hip up. Push your hip higher. Turn your chest to the right side. Now, option 1, put your hand behind your head. Option 2, reach for your right elbow. Hold your right elbow using your left hand. Push your hip up and hold it here. Stay in this position. Now slowly drop your hips back down on the mat. Bring the left elbow outside the right knee. Turn your chest to the right side. Look towards the back of the room. Okay? If you're not able to hold the ankle, keep your elbow bent, turn to the right. And then we'll change the side. Bring the left arm behind. Lift the hip up. One option, keep your palm behind your head. Other option, reach for your elbow and lift the hip higher. Then slowly twist yourself to the left side. Okay, let's try this out. Keep your knees bent, feet on the edge of the mat. Lift your right arm up, take your right hand behind on the mat. Keep your right hand in the middle of your hip, not on the right, not on the left. Lift your hip up, push your hip higher, turn your chest to the right side. Good. Option 1, put your left palm behind your head. Option 2, find your right elbow. Keep looking to your right side. Stay here, lift your hip higher, push your hip more up, hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop your hips back down on the ground. Bring your left elbow outside the right knee. Turn your chest to the right side. Look towards the back of the room. Don't lean onto your right hand. Right hand is just to keep your back straight. Twist to the right side. Yeah. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Exhale, drop the left palm behind. Keep your left palm in the middle of your hips. Lift your hip up. Push your hip as high as you can. Right hand either behind your head or reach for your elbow. Whatever is suitable for you. Good. Hold it there for 5, 4. Left, right palm behind your head. Palm behind your head. Yes. Lift your hip higher. More up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop the hips down. Take a twist to the left side. Right elbow outside your left knee. Left hand behind. Look towards the back of the room. Left hand is just for support. Don't lean onto your left hand. Keep your back straight. Look towards the back. Again, inhale, lift the right arm up. Take your right arm behind. Press with your feet, lift the hip up, turning your chest to the right side. Good. Turn your chest to the right. Option 1, palm behind. Option 2, grab your right hand wherever you reach. Hold it there for 5, 4. Push your hip more up. Keep lifting your hip higher. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hips down. Twist to your right side. Left elbow outside your right knee. Turn your chest to the right side. Good. Keep turning the chest. Look towards the back of the room. Good. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Drop the left arm behind on the mat. Right hand in front of you. Lift the hip up. Press with your left palm. Lift the hip up. Right arm either behind your head or hold your left arm. Stay there for 5. Keep breathing. 4, keep pushing your hip higher, feet on the ground so that you can use the strength of your leg to lift the hip higher. 3, engage your thigh muscle, palm behind your head. 2, right palm behind your head. 3, 4, 5. Drop the hip down. Take a twist to your left side. Use your right elbow outside the left knee. Turn your chest to the left side. Try to keep your spine tall. Left arm is closer to your hip. Hold it there for 5. Twist a little deeper from your middle spine. 4. Take deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, drop the right arm behind. Last round. Lift your hip up. Left arm close to the ear. Lift your hip up. Left palm behind your head or grab your right arm using your left. Hold yourself here. Stay in this position. Keep your feet on the ground. Use the strength of your legs to lift the hip higher. Left heel on the ground. 5, 4. Lift the hip more up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hips back down. Take a twist to your right side. Left elbow outside the right knee. Turn your chest to the right side. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Take your left hand behind, right hand in front of you. Lift the hip up. Last one. Use the strength of your legs to lift your hip up. Use your right hand behind your head or grab your left arm using your left. Yes, good. Lift the hip higher. Hold it there for 5. Keep breathing. Press the feet on the ground. 4. Thighs engaged. Keep your right heel on the ground. 3, 2. Push your hip higher. 1. Slowly drop the hips down. Take a twist to your left side. Right elbow outside your left knee. Turn your chest to the left side. Look towards the back of the room. Stay here in this position for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come out of the pose. Very nice. Good. Come on, stand up. Now, there are 2 variations that you can do. Actually, there are 3 variations that you can do. So our option 1 will be, you're going to keep something under your foot. You'll put your right leg on top of that. Put your left elbow outside the knee and join your palms together. Okay, this is your option 1. Option 2, obviously keep something which is not this wobbly because you're going to fall down. Okay. Option 2 is use your left hand to hold the leg, especially your toe. Straighten out your leg, right arm towards the back. Look at your right fingertip. Option 3 is slightly difficult. So if you are able to balance, then only try for the next one. Option 3 is take your left hand under your right thigh, right hand behind, interlock your finger, and then lift your leg up, straighten out the right leg, and hold it here. So this is actually tough to make a bind. Okay. So option 3 is optional. If you feel like doing, you can try it out. Otherwise, previous 2 are good enough to try. Okay, let's see which one you want to do. Option 1 is simple, just twist with your leg on something. Option 2 is use your hand to hold the foot, right arm to the back of the room. Choose the option that you feel like doing. You want to do option 1? Option 1 or 2, Yukti? Or 3? 2? Okay. So for that, you don't need stool. You can just lift your leg up. Use your left hand to hold the foot. Twist to the right side, Sumitra, to the other side. You have to twist to the right. Touch the left elbow to the right knee. Yeah. All right. Straighten out your back. Good. Straighten out your knees, Sridevi and Yukti both, and hold yourself here. Stay there. 5, 4, find a point. Try to focus on that. 3, 2, 1. Relax the right leg down. Good. Now switch the side. Option 1, left leg on top. Take a twist to your left side. Option 2, use your right hand to hold the left leg. Straighten out your left leg in front of you. Left arm towards the back. Now try to straighten out your both knees and look towards the side. Stay there. 5. Keep breathing. Twist to the left side, Sumitra. Okay, nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Relax your foot down. We are going to try this once again. Second option. All of you will try second option. Use your left hand to hold the foot. Straighten out your leg. Right arm towards the back and stay here in this position. Try to balance. Good. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the right leg down. Left side, bend your left knee. Use your right hand to hold the left leg. Straighten out your left leg. Left arm towards the back. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the left leg down. Very nice. Good. Good. Shake out your legs. Now we'll move on to a little bit of core exercise. Our first core exercise is elbow plank. From elbow plank, we'll be doing hip dips. So you'll take your hip to the right side, to the left side. When you're doing this, do not rotate your heel completely down. Stay on your toes. Only take your hips to the side. 1, 2, 3. Do not look at your feet. Look forward. Either look at your hand or look forward and keep taking your hips side to side. Okay? We'll be doing 30 rounds. Let's come into elbow plank, head to toe straight line. 3, 2, look in between your palm or look forward. Don't look at your feet. 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, core tight, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, hip little down, Yukti, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 30 rounds, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, hip little more down, Devi. Take your hip little more down on the sides. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, fine. Take a break. Take a break. Relax yourself. We'll try it one more time after the break. That is the last one. Then we'll relax. All right. Let's come into elbow plank position. 3, 2, 1. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Very nice. Good. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back and hug the knees into the chest. Give yourself a tight squeeze. Roll yourself side to side, gently massaging your spine. Slowly come to center and relax your legs down on the ground. Keep your feet apart, palms facing up. Relax and breathe. Slowly bring your feet together. Stretch your arms above your head, interlocking the fingers and stretch. Exhale, release. Turn to one side and sit up. Back straight, both hands on your knees, eyes closed. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms together, generate the heat. Place it on your eyes. Open your eyes, look into darkness, and gently slide your palms down. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.